Hi friends, welcome to Civil Cube. I am Mohammed Said. Today we are going to see about a new series to learn AutoCAD from the scratch. AutoCAD is an essential software to make 2D and 3D drawings for civil engineers. Also, by using AutoCAD, we can make an architectural plan, structural drawings, and blueprints for various department of works. In a worldwide, there are a lot of CAD software is available, but the Autodesk AutoCAD is the most commonly used software in the world. Because of this easy interface, lot of people using AutoCAD. By using AutoCAD, we can make a easy drawings and very quickly. To get a complete guide of AutoCAD, follow this series continuously. In this video, we will explain about two things. One is unit and another one is limit. What is unit? Before making any type of drawing, first we need to set a unit of measurement. For an example, if we want to make a house plan, we need to set unit as feet or inches for this project. Otherwise, for a large scale of project, we need to set unit as meter or millimeter. So, to set a unit, type units as a command, press enter. A dialog box will be appear. In this dialog box, select the length type as engineering and the precision to display the fractional size as 0 feet 0.0 inches. Then click OK. Next, we need to set limit. What is limit? It sets and control the limits of grid display in the current model. For an example, if you want to make a drawing size of 20 feet by 20 feet, just set the limit as 30 feet by 30 feet. So you can easily view the limited area of the grid display. To set the limit, type limits as a command, press enter. In the limit value, first we need to set a lower left corner, that is 0 by 0, press enter. Next, the topmost upper right corner. So this is the size of our limit. Here I put is 30 feet by 30 feet, press enter. To view the limited area, use this command, zoom, enter, all enter. So this is our limiting area. In this limiting area, we can make our drawing by using draw panel objects. So in our next video, we will explain how to use a draw panel objects to make a drawing. Thank you.